Welcome and good day everyone. My name is Norajana from Group 1 and I would like to explain about my group tasks and also individual works that have been done by me. First of all, for the group work, we have divided the item from preliminaries and construction element. For the preliminaries item, every member did roughly about 6 to 7 items, and same goes to the construction element. For the group work, I have been in charge to find the price rate for the window, wall finishes and also drainage. Among the 7 preliminaries items that I had done, I will explain on how I did the build-up rates for the Workers' Safety Act 1969 and also the temporary hoarding and fencing. These two preliminary items are very vital in terms of safety and protection. For the Workers' Safety Act 1969, it is compulsory for employer to make sure that every worker had social contribution. Since this industry is full of hazard, this sort of protection is very important. Next, the item that very important before commencing any work are temporary heading and fencing. This is compulsory in order to protect the site and also the public. The hoarding can assist workers to do work without any distraction from the public. Besides, the temporary fencing is important to keep away the site from the public and control the access. The table shows on how I calculate the build-up rates for hoarding and also social. For the construction element part, one of the price rate that have been done by me is window works. Each of window work frame have different pricing based on their size and type. These are the price list according to the size, and this price is I had gotten from the LKS hardware that located at my area. Next, I will proceed with the individual work of this project that I had done. There are many items that need to be calculated in order to complete this bill of quantity. The price used is also the latest price, and all the price are gotten from JKR document price, QS on our website, CIDB Pocket Cost Book 2022, and also from the supplier and hardware shop that within my reach that I had contact and visit on. For the construction element, I will explain the build-up rates of column, drainage and window. First of all, column is the most significant element in superstructure. Without a sturdy column, the structure could collapse in a blink of eye. The columns are built by using two types of reinforcement bar, which is 12 mm diameter high tensile steel, and one more is 6 diameter high tensile steel as a link that embedded in the concrete column. The build-up rate are started the calculation of material and followed by manpower cost. The construction of column consists of 3 items, which is formwork, reinforcement and also concrete. Each item need to be calculated equally. For example, that I use for this presentation is formwork. For formwork, the total material price is RM25.45 after including the wastages. Then we need to add the labor cost, which is RM80.08. Since there is no machinery involved, we have the total cost for per meter square of formwork is equal to RM50. Other than superstructure part, I also calculated for the drainage system. This is important in order to remove a water or liquid both surface and subsurface. Drainage is often a major element of civil engineering and construction, and it is also necessary to avoid flooding or any other damages. The excavation of drain and sand lining is already calculated along with the apparent construction. The build-up rates of drainage started with the calculation of the material cost. We need to include 33% of shrinkage and wastages. In order to fill the gap between the precast concrete drain, we need a mortar of cement. We also need 2 labor for this work, which is one for mixing the mortar and one person to arranging the drain and plastering the drain. After adding these two costs, we had total of 13 ringgit and 50 cent per number of drain. I think that's all from me. More detail and information are provided in the report. I hope you all having a great day. Thank you and have a good day ahead.